Getting ready to do the Sheldon Lake loop. Put in. Not too busy. Well, guess we will get this started. She's hot. Devil's Lake complete. Time to get to Sheldon Lake. Get away from all these voices. It's completed the Sheldon Lake to Cooney Lake portage. Buggier than hell around that swamp. This lake's nice though, at least. It's worth the bugs, I guess. Lake done. Goodbye, Cooney Lake. Hello, Peter's Pond. Goodbye, Cooney Lake. Well, Peter's Pond is absolutely horrible. Now we got a 150 into Victoria Lake. May as well double carry this one. Victoria Lake. Here's the portage back. Show you guys 150. Walking through more of a jungle than that portage. It's got an opening. Not the most well-traveled portage, but it's fairly easy, fairly smooth. And we're back. Beautiful lake once it opens up and you get through the lily pads. Starts a bit tough though. Nothing but alders everywhere. Beautiful though. Just did our first lift over. Nothing too big. Coming through that. Way back there. Almost through. Almost dinner time. Got this site a little bit ago. Gonna hydrate and relax and hot day, 38 with the humidex. Figured I might as well show around. Black flies and horse flies are just relentless, but mosquitoes aren't bad. Got the actual fire pit here. Someone's made one up top. Thunderbox that way. Pad. To the lake. Another little fire pit's bad view to wake up to. Beats anything you get in the city. Got the Eureka 3XD wind. Great tent. Actually, got it as a gift from Mike Bear Prout. Awesome tent. Awesome views. Awesome weather. Couldn't ask for anything better. Get out there and do some fishing shortly. Morning and day 2. Figured I'd skip the tent video. Missy's still sleeping. It's glass out there. No more wind. Thank God. Wind was brutal last night. It was fierce. Food's still good. Coffee is on. Water's glass. Gotta go just over there somewhere. Down the Head River. Coffee's brewed. Bacon's on. Water's glass still. Getting this day started soon. Goodbye, sight. It was a good night. Time to get on to Crooked Lake, down the Head River. We're gonna go check out that cabin quickly first. Nice little cabin shore. There's the rocks. Sights over there. We're headed through the opening. Into the Head River we go. Goodbye, Victoria Lake. You're beautiful. Look at that view. Made it through the log jam, 370. Not bad at all. Down the Head River, bunch of beaver crossings. Well, the miscalculation, this isn't the end of the portage. We didn't notice the orange marking tape up there. So, continuing on.
Old wolf scat.
Beautiful in here. Nice little portage. I get the easy trip this time. Now we've completed the 370. Into the lake we go. To a 225. And then onto another river portion. Coming out of the Head River. Just skipped 2 ports. Crossed over about 7 beaver dams. I think we're coming into Round Lake or Clear Lake. One of the two. Arrived at site. It's about 2 o'clock. Nice little site. Tent pad there. Another tent pad up there. Came on a little hike. Found another campsite that's on the lake. Couldn't find it in the boat. We got better water access. Ever have purple shepherd's pie? Forget that your drink's mixed in your Yeti. And yeah. Well, we're gonna end day 2 at this. Got 4 fish. Forgot to go GoPro, so couldn't capture it. Beautiful night, except for all the bugs. It's crazy. But it's all part of it. It's 5:30 in the morning. All packed up. Almost. Time to get this day started, I guess. Goodbye, campsite. Best one we've ever had. Perfect size for the 2 of us. Great views. Good fishing. Great swimming right off the edge. Drops off. Fish just jumped right there. So good fishing. Glass Lake. 20 to 7 in the morning. Doesn't get any nicer than this.
Saw a beaver last night.
Oh yeah, I saw a baby beaver last night carrying his log to his house over there. Here we are at the end of Crooked Lake. Fished the whole day on our way down. Couple bites. No big hits. Fishing was definitely better last night. Smashed them right at the boat. Beautiful ending to the lake. Whole lake's a beautiful lake, actually. I have to say it's my favorite one on the road so far. Look at that tree, babe. To your left. I'm surprised you haven't noticed it.
That one?
Yeah. Absolutely beautiful. Let's get a frog on the line. Took us a few minutes to leave that little narrow. Getting bites, caught a couple smallmouth. Up here looks promising too. Definitely the nicest lake on this route so far, in my opinion. On video too. These narrows have been hard to get out of. That's number 4 for her.
Oh, this one's the biggest.
Number 9. Just slamming them. That's the smallest one of the day, but still fun. Still trying to get out of Crooked Lake here, but the ending of it's just absolutely amazing. Both views and fishing.
Oh, this might be the portage somewhere here. From here.
Oh yeah. Looks like we are coming up on the portage, right? Somewhere in here. Oh, about 2 hours and 15 minutes later, and we've made it to the port finally. Absolutely slaying fish here on Crooked Lake. Between the two of us, we got about 15 smallmouth and largemouth bass. Absolutely awesome, stunning views. Great lake, great fishing. I'd definitely come back to this one. Bring it along with me this time. Guess there's nice. Nice and easy portage. Doesn't get much easier than this. It's almost like having a paved highway right now compared to the last couple yesterday. Look at that for a put-in. Looks like there'll be some good fishing right here too. Little port's done. Took a couple casts. Fish are chasing it, but no bites. Now we're through Round Lake to 200-meter portage, I think. Long Lake is done. We're ahead of the Round Lake now, 180-meter portage. Beautiful, again. Here we are on the 180 from Long Lake into Round Lake. Not so bad, single carrying it since it's the 180, it's a little bit bigger. May as well not walk it 4 times. It's hot. Skeeters are bad, but that's all part of it. That's why I do it, I guess. Round Lake's done. Portage into the fish hog done. Time to find this place to swim. Fish hog lake. First big lake in days. First bit of people and civilization in days. First cold water in days. It's not like swimming in a hot tub. Loon swimming. Flying. Canoe brain. We are into Head Lake now. Batteries are dying at this. We'll check back at the car. Well, we made it back to Head Lake a day early and waiting on our ride now to bring us back to Devil's Lake to retrieve the car. Great trip, great weather, great fishing. We'll do it again soon.